Okay, so today what we're going to do is we are going to look at an example. We're going to look at an example here, and the example is going to be dealing with joint variation. So let's read the problem carefully and see again how this is going to be set up. So it says the area of a triangle varies jointly. So the area of a triangle varies jointly as what? The lengths of the base and the height. Okay? So now, so the key words are varies jointly. So the area varies jointly as the lengths of the base and the length of the height. So we could represent the area of the triangle as A. And then we could say the length of the base, we could call this B. And the length of the height, we could call that H. And so if it varies jointly with both of those values, those variables, then the way we're going to set up, again, step one, set up the relationship. It's going to be A equals K times B times H. And we're done with that part. Okay? Now, they're going to give us more information. So the information they give us, now we got to solve for K. Step two is we need to figure out what the constant is. And so what do they say? They give us a triangle. It says a triangle with a base of 10 and a height of 4 feet has an area of 20 feet. Okay, so they're giving us that. So now let's use that. So the area of 20 equals K times the base, which is 10, times the height, which is 4. And so if we divide both sides, right, you just solve it for K. So what do we get? We get K equals what? 20 over 40, which equals 1/2. And some of you might have looked at that and said, oh yeah, obviously that's the answer. Okay? But let's continue. So now, what do we get? Look at that. We get the area, right? What are we talking about? We're talking about areas of triangles. So guess what? We now know the formula for the area of a triangle, which you may remember, or maybe you don't remember, but area of a triangle is always 1/2 base times height. Okay? So now we're going to use this formula to solve for another triangle that they give us. They give us, okay, find the area of a triangle that has a base of 3 and a height of 8. So now all we have to do is plug into our formula, and we're going to get the area now. So it's going to have 3 times 8, which is going to be 12 feet squared. And that's the answer. So this is how we used joint. Again, the main thing about this is understanding the wording of the problem to help us set up the relationship. Once we set up the relationship, then we use the information given to us in the problem to solve for K. And then once we solve for K, we found our specific formula. And then we can use our formula with the new information that they're giving us to solve for a required unknown, which in this case, they wanted the area of a specific triangle. And that's it. So that's how you do it. Okay. Have a good day.